I felt no fear. Hey, yo, that's sick, buddy.
Waste my life away, need a place to stay. I could tell the truth, but you say I'm not right. Pouring in my heart, ain't got no love on sight. On my mind, messing up my whole life. Thought you were the one, now you just someone. No way now, no way now.
Finally. Yo, this looks so crazy.
It's really
Yo, am I gonna be able to get out of here? Should be good. Should I get air? Should I get air? I don't know if these valves are open or not, but let's see what happens.
That's open?
No, it's closed. I didn't have the valves open.
You messed up.
Well, let's hear this instead.
Yours might focus.
Oh. Alright. That sounds nice.
Oh, the tip's right here.
Yeah.
This is a 60-year-old car. That's crazy. Yeah, eh? Did he like? Does he put him on a tender or anything? No, he's not plugging that. Hold me up like that. Back up.
This guy's testing his brakes.
Driving through this dirty ass road. I feel like I don't even know how to drive this car right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so overwhelmed. Oh my god, it's so bad. Got my gauges all going crazy. We made it. Oh man, what a good drive that was. First drive in months. Hey, third car today. It's chugging like crazy. As you guys can see, it's take all the cars out day. It's finally good enough. Winter's done. It was a long, annoying winter. Spring is here. Got the whips out. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I haven't picked up the camera in a while. Spring is here, winter's over, so cars are back on the road. Got my BRZ back out from storage. My brother's Impala, Imran's Eclipse, all these cars are back on the road. we got our prep to do to get these cars back into summer mode. So that's what this video is going to be about. Apologize, I'm just sitting in my car because, yo, my neighbors, I don't think you can see them, but they're like somewhere down there. These guys are so loud right now. Like, they're talking on their lawn, and I can feel like I can hear them beside me. Like, these guys are yelling at, like, just having a casual discussion, but like at the top of their lungs. It's like, what's going on, man? Like, I feel like my exhaust is not even that annoying. So you guys know what the deal is. For anyone that's new to the channel, this is my 2018 BRZ. This is my main car on the channel. I've got the Audi that I'm trying to build as well, but supercharged this car about 1.5 years ago, and right before the winter, I did a bunch of mods on this car. I didn't really get to enjoy it because I had to park the car, but you know, I did a front lip, did the TRD side skirts, did the TRD rear bumper lip, the rally backer, spoiler, underglow, did the wheels. I don't know if I even mentioned that already, but as you can see, the car is still in winter mode. I'm gonna get the wheels on, do an oil change, check everything, make sure the car is good. My drive home from the winter storage was great actually, and the car felt nice, so I think as a shakedown, the car was good. So after this, I just want to give you guys a little bit of a channel update, and we're gonna go hang out with some friends, do a header install on my friend's FRS, and see how his car sounds with a new setup. So it's gonna be pretty cool. You guys stick around and we'll see what's going on. Alright, I just cracked this. Let's see if I can get this out without dropping the bolt, because this happens like 9 out of 10 times. Ho ho! Got it. Man, my oil looks good. It's still, it's kind of brown. Barely drove. Ugh. Alright, while it's draining, I'm just gonna pop this off. Oh, this is so tight. It's gonna sit here for now. Pop this open. Oh my god, why is everything so tight? Alright, so all this is open, this is draining. Other stuff I gotta check. I got my supercharger coolant reservoir over here. Gotta make sure this stuff is okay. You're supposed to check this while the car's running, and after you rev a little bit, because it is a sump and it pulls all the fluid back into here when the car's off. So I'm just gonna make sure right now the level's okay, and I'll do this again after the car's running. But looks alright. Coolant looks alright. If anything, it's a little bit low, but you could check that out a little bit later maybe. Car's on a bit of an angle, so probably check that when I get back on flat ground. But anyway, while the oil is draining, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the supercharger stuff, because I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram asking about, like, you know, how much did it cost, how does it perform, how much power am I pushing. So I didn't have time last year to or last summer to do my dyno run, but this year I definitely want to do that. I want to see how much this car is putting down to the ground. So this year, expect some videos about dyno, power, a full review on the kit, talking about, like, you know, if I think it's worth it. I've put about, I want to say, like 5,000 kilometers on the kit, so it's not like a lot, but I can give you guys, you know, my first impression. I'll be coming up on 2 years in October, which is the first service of the kit. So before that happens, I definitely want to give my impressions of the kit and how the car is, and let you guys know how I feel about forced induction on this platform. Give us a 9 out of 10 oil change. Full jug came out, full jug went in. I think we're looking good. So I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but my interior looks like a mess. Everything got ripped out. This is part of a video I was filming right before winter that I didn't get to finish, so this is going to be in an upcoming video, putting everything back together with a new finish that I did on all these parts. So stay tuned, this is going to be pretty sick. I got some new gauges also, so I got to show how those were installed. And yeah, this is going to be a really clean setup, and I think you guys will like it a lot. Done our oil change. Look who's here, look at these guys. Getting all rowdy on my street. Holy, it's bright out. As you guys can see, rolled up at Immy's, got my car, got Arham's, working on Zain's FRS right there, doing a tomei header install. I was doing some work on his Eclipse, and just want to show you guys the final look on the car. Getting back in summer mode. Got the TEs on. Still haven't washed the car, but probably gonna do that later because it's raining tomorrow again. So maybe later today if we go for a cruise, might get the car washed. But look at that, it's got summer stance. The car looks good. Super filthy from the front. And these guys are already under the car, getting started. Yo, I've never seen a tomei header before.
I know, that's my first time seeing tomei header too.
It looks sick. The runners, like, the pats are so sick. How do you even machine this? Like, it's kind of curved. That's like, this car is gonna sound wicked. Especially with whatever this catback setup's called.
FT86 remark something.
Something. He's got like 8 titles.
Yeah.
That sounds good. That sounds good. That's how it's supposed to sound.
Wow, it is so. Shout out to the boys. Come
Man, there's a lot of traffic in this tunnel, but finished the header install on Zain's car and it sounds really, really good. Now we're just parked up. This guy's on the phone! Damn! Downshifts. Yeah, so it's pretty late, just got home, it's really dark out, so I'm just using my like phone flash to record this outro for you guys, but Zain's header install went really well. I think his setup sounds really good. It's like, he's got the tomei unequal length catless headers, stock front pipe, stock over pipe, and FT86X remark catback with the quad tips. I forgot exactly what the catback brand is, but it sounds really good. Did some rips in that tunnel and like, it's a really deep tone, no rasp, nothing like that. Sounds really good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. As you guys saw, starting off the season real strong, got my car back in shape. Got a bunch of mods coming for this too. You guys saw like the interior definitely needs to get redone. I'll show you guys in an upcoming video what that's going to be like. It's going to be pretty cool. So if you guys enjoyed this style of video where the homies are all around and we're doing mods together, let me know in the comments below. There's probably going to be a lot of that this summer. We're going to be doing our mods together, hanging out, going for cruises and stuff. So drop some feedback in the comments. And if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button, hit sub. Really helps out the channel a lot. Thank you guys for watching so much. Car's back in shape for the season. I'm so excited to start the season strong. So catch you guys later. Peace out. Damn. Fern almost broke my foot. Yo. Bro, you made me jump. This guy had a heart attack.